Good morning, guys. Greetings from NIT Raipur. I hope you all are doing well. So, yesterday was our last practical of data science. We have completed successfully 3 semesters of MCA. As you know, NIT is having 3 year MCA program. That's why there will be 6 semesters in MCA. So half of the MCA we have completed, and in next semester, in fourth semester, we will start from like 5th of January. We have given 1 month holidays, and I am targeting to complete my DSA in 1 month. And like, yeah, I have already completed DSA like till reach, but I will try to just repeat and revise the DSA. Just attempt 2 to 3 questions of each selected topics. And yeah, I am just skill up. I am thinking right uh, to work on projects like development. Yeah, I am thinking to complete my React, Node.js, and full stack, Mud full stack. That's why I have to work more and more in this 1 month vacation in December. So yes, I'm just taking challenge to complete Node.js and Mun in this 1 week. Yes, Mun stack basically the full. So I'm just suggesting for those students who is was coming to NITs for MCA, just yeah, prepare well and good. If you will get a seat in NITs, then don't think you will already got placed from NIT. You have to do a lot of work, and you have to do a lot of hard experience in NITs. And yes, MCA guys are struggling here, not got a not get opportunity in all the companies. There is a biased to NITs. All the companies are not allowed for the MCA students. Some of the best company, a good companies allows only for the VTechs. Some specific companies that's have low package, they are allowing for MCA students. But MCA students also want to placed first time initially have to placed in anywhere. That's why we are trying to just placed just beginning will start from the lower, and you have listened, beginning start from the lower, then you have to prove yourself to come the heights ups. That's why we have to we are already facing too much issues here. But yeah, what we can do, we are just trying for good, for best. Yes. And yeah, guys, skill of yourself day by day, improve your English speaking and communication. Just yeah, you have a lot of knowledge, but you don't have speaking English, and your English speaking is not communicate fluently. You are not comfortable with the English. You are not able to do the group discussions with your friends, because even in this time the companies are coming like 5 LPA, 6 LPA, 10 LPA, but they are demanding for the group discussions and a lot of extra topics. Like you can guys say here demanding for the artificial intelligence and group discussions and DSA questions and core subjects. They want the perfect students. They are just finding the perfect and well maintained students. Like if he is providing the 10 LPA, then he will want to he want to 20 LPA students. So that's why I am saying in the future too many technologies are coming in, new technologies. You have to grab the new technology and just focus on your skills. Yes, why I am just using the skill of yourself, because you will realize in NITs, you will realize when you will sit in the interviews. Yeah, you should improve your English speaking. Yes, that's why I'm saying I am just trying to speak in English. That's why I am recording this video. Okay, thank you.